anything, I'm going to say, oh, what's not yesterday? Guys, what's not yesterday? I'm going to be reacting to the first 10 minutes of Brownie Wars. No. I just want to say that, sorry, yellow card, yeah. Oh, second yellow card, red card. Oh, I got this yellow card, red card thing. So if you guys get to 3 likes, I will give you a red card. Take it. Just take it. Take the red card, please. Take the yellow card. What would you rather, yellow card, red card? I would probably say red card. I mean, yellow card, red card. Red card, yellow card. Sergio Ramos goes to him, and Matt Doherty. Because Matt Doherty got a red card today, and Sergio Ramos likes getting red cards. That's it. And then yellow card. Yeah, that. Sorry. No, really too much. It's fine. Alright, chance of Wolves. Score prediction for Brownie Wolves. Where I said in the Premier League prediction, I've got what I said. Where I said in the Premier League predictions, I think I said 2-1 Wolves or 1-1. I think I said 2-1 Wolves actually. And why was in the Premier League predictions? I really want to predict some Scottish games, yeah. But never mind, there's not much like that. Because I'm not ready. A chance of Wolves passing out the field. Are they going to cross it in here? Oh no, they're just passing it in there in Brighton's box. Could he go for a shot here? He's going for it! It was kind of an easy save. It wasn't the best shot from what he's doing, but it was alright. He tried best. Every time there's a yellow red card, I'm going to do up. Chance here for... Oh no, it's not really a chance. I thought Wolves had the ball for some reason. No, Brighton had the ball. It's not a chance. Oh! Aha! Hello? Oh! Oh, ow! Red card. Yellow card. No, yellow card. Oh! Ah! The second yellow. Red card. You're off. And you're gone. Take that. Our chance here for Wolves. Alright, chance here for I can't see it. Should be scooter. I mean, not stupid, get a pretty good scooter. If you guys had it, you would probably like it. I can take that, no, it's stupid. Chance here for, oh yes, good dribbling. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Chance here for Wolves, oh what, dribbling, look at this. Ooh, just wise. Beautiful play from, was it Neto? Oh, Neto is just the best player for Wolves at the moment. I've seen him in other games and he's been really good. What a shot that was, to be honest with you. I was like, look at this, look at this. What's the chance that was? If he stepped forward, I didn't see that. I thought he could do a little skill, but I didn't know he could do second ones. I thought he could do something like fail a rainbow for a time. I'm not even saying I did. And I have a little notebook so I can write and I can send it to people in the world. No, okay, they don't do that, so. Get back in there. Get back in there, you. Boom, shakalak. Nice, sorry. I got my hair up. Probably you like it. Right, so let's get on again. I'm going to talk about random stuff. Talk about hair, talk about red cards. Yeah, right. Chance here for Wolves. I'm going. Why don't you say they said the ball, bruh? The ball. Sky Sports customers have a choice of audio. Sky Sports main event features are Sky Sports crowd option. National. Okay, I don't know what it means out. It's a bit weird. Yeah. I will be changing for the plush video, by the way, guys, even though I won't even show myself, but still. Plush video coming out, maybe about 6, around 6. Maybe not 6, maybe around 6. Oh, Brian Player is he's just dribbling, he's got tackle there, chances of walls. Knocking out the field. Fabio Silva. Oh no, good tackle there. Dunk. Sanchez. Chipped it. He might have lost it then. No, yeah, I was going to say it. It is a good game there. It's Brighton Wolves. I mean, it's not their best game. But it's alright because Brighton have been alright this season. And Wolves have been good this season. They've been really good. Even they haven't got that much points during the 5-6 games. Chance here for Wolves have thrown here. Yes. My best team. Oof. It's not equal, isn't it? Because both teams have had the ball and a lot, and they've been just good defence and stuff like that. I think it might be equal, or maybe just about Wolves. I challenge for Wolves. Brighton aren't. I mean, Wolves at the back. They weren't moving that much, but now they are. Neto is he going to do a beautiful run now? And then he's nice. He's going to pass Neves. Oh yes, sweet ball. Oh yeah, Chelsea. Ouch, alright. You couldn't get that one. Oh, he left it because he wanted a corner. It's a corner, right? Yeah, he's saying ref, isn't he? He's moaning. He's moaning. Oh yeah, it's corner. Corner here to Wolves. Maybe that's why Traore left it. But you could have just kept it on, booted it to your teammate, and you could have just headed it in. Or you could have just gone for a shot from there, because people score. That's happened before. No, I'm kidding. Chance here. I've seen him highlights. Just it. The clearance. So chance here. Chance here. Knocked it in. Headers over the bar. Yeah, is it a corner? Because they're not really moving that much. Because they're in the corner. Have a look. I see here. So, look it in. Beautiful ball. Nah. Goal kick. And it's another corner. It's another corner. Safe with the header. Or Sass. What his name is? Okay, sorry. I always say that. What his name is. Well, where it says Sass. Yeah. Transfer for Wolves, got another corner. They're looking, aren't they? Ooh, good block. It's gone out for another corner. Jeez, this is going to be like 82 corners in this game. No, okay, there won't be 82, but it'll be a lot. It'll be a lot. Alright, transfer for Wolves. I think it's going to knock in from header up. Wide. Oh no, didn't. Clear it. A chance here. Oh, I'm gonna boot. Oh god, he passed straight back to the goalkeeper. Okay, I don't know if that's the best option because you could have just chipped it up to one of your teammates that could have volleyed it in from there, but maybe not. Probably right. Way because that probably happened before, but it probably won't happen in a normal Premier League game. Will it? No, it won't be. Alright, yeah. So, Brighton have a chance. Oh no! Brighton have a chance, Cooper, and Fabio Silva literally tackles it. No, Brighton did have a chance, but it's thrown hit towards. Not Wolves, Brighton. It's a thrown hit to Brighton. Don't mind clearance here. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Play from Brighton. Just passing it around. Look at this. I might write to Chelsea One City tomorrow. I might not, but I might. So if I do, then don't miss that tomorrow. No, I'll probably do a league or talk about the game or not. if I do a league game, it's going to be Barcelona. Either that or something else. I can't say for Brighton. Oh no, it's been 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, I will see you guys later for the plus video and me talk about the Arsenal versus the West Brom game, which is going to start at 8 o'clock. So I'm going to talk about the Arsenal versus West Brom game when it ends and the plus video later. So 2 more videos coming up. 3 or 2. I think it's 2 or 3. I think it's 2 more videos coming soon, so don't miss out. I'll just go to Charles here, not saying now. See you guys very soon. See you guys for the brush video. That's my next video. So see you guys. Bye guys.